Conveyors play an essential role in industries, powering big sectors in India by providing coal supply. At this present time, there are many options such as vibrating grizzly feeders and roller screen feeders. But these big feeders come with some disadvantages. Massive systems are absolutely not a convenient option. Extreme vibration results in immense pressure, which brings blemishes to the screen. A lot more waste occurs due to spillage. Loss of material due to dusty environment, as it is non-permissible according to industrial norms. These feeders turn out to be noisy. At times or in the rainy season, clogging of material does happen because of the material sticks attached to the screen. And this extreme clogging brings pause to the work of the screening process. Then these machines drive under maintenance, which is loss of time and money. Screening conveyor gives you no worry solution to all your problems. It is free from clogging. Not even a tiny single piece of coal is left behind in the conveyor. It gives you exact sizing with a 100% separate manual process. Due to Teflon-coated screen, it gives you a non-sticky process. The process takes time to complete, so no pressure impact. Also, this conveyor permits less noise, which is permissible as per industrial norms. No damage or loss occurs in the course of regular use of components. No spillage, which means no waste of materials. It also consumes low-power energy resources. It requires very less maintenance, which means no pause during the screening process. It is less hazardous to the environment as it is dust-free.